Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repurpose video in Capcut new update. So repurposing a video can create interesting effects such as broken glass restored or torn paper media into wine and etc. So how to repurpose video in Capcut is just very simple. You can add a video to the project in Capcut, and I already have a video, and you can see this original video like this. Okay, to reverse, tap on the video clip and then swipe the toolbar at the bottom. Swipe all the way to the right until you see the reverse icon. Okay, tap on it to reverse the video. Okay, this is the result. Okay, it's very simple. That's how to repurpose video in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.